Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video, and in this video we are continuing with our calculus series, and in this video we are going to differentiate this particular expression. So the very first thing which I am going to do is I am going to assign a variable to this function. So let us say that the value of y is equal to sine of x square plus 1. So normally in maximum questions related to differentiation in calculus, this is the first step where we assign a particular variable. Now in the second step, what we will do is we will replace the extended function by another variable. So that means, let us suppose that the value of u is x square plus 1. So basically what we are using here is a method known as a substitution method for the differentiation. Now there is also a direct method using the chain rule, but right now we will not apply that. So if the value of u is d of x square plus 1, so that means the new value of y would be sine of u. So let us differentiate this function now. So differentiation of sine x is cos x. So that means the value of dy by du will be cos of u, and if we calculate the value of du by dx from this side, the value of du by dx comes out to be d by dx of x square plus 1. And when you solve this, the value of du by dx comes out to be d by dx of x square, that is 2x. So what we will basically do is, if we need to calculate the value of dy upon dx, that can be written as dy divided by du multiplied by du divided by dx. So as you can see, the value of du and du will get cancelled out. Eventually what we have is the value of dy by dx. Now the value of dy by du is cos u, so I'll write cos u over here, and then I'll multiply this by du by dx. So the value of du by dx is 2x, so then this is multiplied by 2x. But this term u here we had substituted as x square plus 1, so we'll substitute this as such. So that means the value of dy by dx would be equal to cos of u. Now value of u is x square plus 1, so this is x square plus 1 multiplied by 2x. So this right here is the final answer that we were looking for. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos related to calculus, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.